These are the tools used.
Alright, so we're going to replace this engine air filter. So the first thing is, I just loosen this bolt right here. And then I completely remove this one. Just to have enough space. And then you unclip it. There's 4 clips. You just lift up. And just be careful, don't go too far. The boot can break, so just be careful with that. Pull it out. So now we're gonna install the new air filter. Again, you lift that, be careful, and it only goes on one way. So you place it, make sure it sits properly. Make sure the seal's okay. Now you seat it, make sure it's nice and flush. You gotta pull back on the tabs because sometimes they get caught and it won't let you sit. There we go. It should all click. And again, don't forget to put this bracket on. Go in by hand, always by hand.